Good morning, dear students. Now, today we are going to start fourth chapter of Unit 7, Money and Time. So, this chapter is about word problems on subtraction of rupees and paisa. So, students, in this chapter, we are going to learn about word problems based on subtraction of rupees and paisa. So we will deal with some word problems. So students, let's take a question to understand in a better way. So here your question is, Rajni bought a leaf of bread for rupees 25.50 and she gave the shopkeeper a 50 rupee note. How much money did she get back? So students, Rajni bought a leaf of bread for rupees 25.50. रजनीले एउटा ब्रेडको प्याक 25.50 मा किनिन्. यर बट मिन्स किन्नु. 25.50 रुपिजमा रजनीले एउटा ब्रेडको प्याक चाहिँ उनले किनिन्. एन्ड सी गेभ द शपकिपर अ 50 रुपी नोट. र उनले शपकिपरलाई 50 रुपिजको नोट दिइन् भने हाउ मच मनी डिड सी गेट ब्याक. त्यसो भए अब उनले कति रुपियाँ फिर्ता पाइन् त. सो स्टुडेन्ट्स, टु गेट द अमाउन्ट विच सी गट ब्याक we need to subtract the amount of bread from the amount which Rajni had given to the shopkeeper. So विद्यार्थीहरू, हामीले रजनीले कति फिर्ता पाइन् भन्ने कुरा थाहा पाउनको लागि रजनीले शपकिपरलाई दिएको पैसा, यो जुन 50 रुपियाँ छ, यसबाट रजनीले किनेको ब्रेड जसको मूल्य छ 25.50, यसलाई हामीले सबट्र्याक्ट गर्यौं भने, घटायौं भने हामीले रजनीले फिर्ता पाउने अमाउन्ट पाउन सकिन्छ. सो स्टुडेन्ट्स, हियर वी नीड टु सबट्र्याक्ट 50 माइनस 25.50. किन माइनस गर्ने? किनभने रजनीसँग 50 रुपियाँ थियो, उनले 25.50 रुपिजको त ब्रेड किनिन्. ब्रेड किनेपछि पक्कै पनि हामीसँग भएको पैसा घट्छ. सो त्यसैले घट्यो भनेपछि हामीले 50 रुपिजबाट 25.50 लाई घटाउने, माइनस गर्ने स्टुडेन्ट्स. सो लेट्स सल्भ इट. So students, first of all we need to start with solution. So here money given means रजनीले दिएको मनी अमाउन्ट. रजनीले दिएको अमाउन्ट चाहिँ 50 रुपिज 50. Similarly cost of bread को मूल्य स्टुडेन्ट्स. So students, here cost of bread is 25.50. So always, as I have already told you, whenever there is whole number, decimal lies just in front of one's place. जति बेला होल नम्बर दिएको हुन्छ हामीलाई, होल नम्बरमा चाहिँ डेसिमल नम्बर वान्स प्लेसको ठिक अगाडि हुन्छ स्टुडेन्ट्स. सो यहाँनिर हुन्छ. सो त्यसैले हामीले 25.50 जुन छ यो डेसिमललाई हामीले स्टुडेन्ट्स भर्टिकल कलममा यसरी मिलाउनु पर्यो. सो स्टुडेन्ट्स, बिफोर डेसिमल देयर इज 5, बिफोर 5 देयर इज 2. नाउ आफ्टर डेसिमल देयर इज 5, देयर इज 0. नाउ वी हैव टु सबट्र्याक्ट. नाउ स्टुडेन्ट्स, you can see there is nothing after decimal here. So whenever there is nothing after decimal, we can replace 0 as per the need. So students, now let's subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. Now we cannot subtract 5 from 0, so therefore we will take borrow. So students, here again it is 0, so we cannot take borrow. Now we have to take borrow from 5. So 5 will give 1 to this 0, this 0 will become 10, 5 becomes 4. So again this 10 will give borrow to this 0, this 0 becomes 10. Now this 10 becomes 9, किनभने 10 मा 1 यता दियो भने यहाँ 9 बस्ने भयो. So students, now we can subtract 10 minus 5 is 5. Now decimal there is in our result, we need to keep decimal. हामीले रिजल्ट हाम्रो आन्सरमा पनि डेसिमल राख्नुपर्ने हुन्छ स्टुडेन्ट्स, सिधा राख्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. 9 minus 5 is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, so rupees. So students, in this way the amount she got back is rupees 24.50. So students, hence or therefore she got back rupees 24.50. So students, this is the amount she got back. Hence Rajni got back rupees 24.50. Now students, let's move towards next question. So here your question is, Ramesh had rupees 500 with him. He spent rupees 137.50 on lunch. How much money has he now? So students, Ramesh सँग 500 रुपीज नोट थियो. He spent rupees 137.50 on lunch. र उसले दिउँसोको खानामा चाहिँ उसले 137.50 रुपीज खर्च गर्यो. उसँग 500 रुपीज थियो, उसले 137.50 खानामा चाहिँ उसले खर्च गर्यो भने हाउ मच मनी हैज ही नाउ, अब उसँग कति रुपियाँ छ. सो स्टुडेन्ट्स, बिफोर रमेश हैड 500 रुपीज, पहिले रमेशसँग 500 रुपियाँ थियो. अब उसले 500 रुपियाँमा 137.50 को त उसले खाना खाइदियो भने पक्कै पनि उसँग भएको पैसा घट्यो, किनकि उसले खाना खाएको छ. त्यसैले स्टुडेन्ट्स, we have to subtract here. So we need to subtract 137.50 from 500. So students, money with Ramesh is rupees 500, and students, money spent on lunch is rupees 137.50. So let's subtract. Now students, as you can see, there is no decimal. As I have already told you, decimal lies just front of ones place in a whole number. So we are going to keep decimal here. So there is nothing, we can keep zeros. So now students, let's subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. Again we cannot subtract 5 from 0. We have to take borrow from 5. This 5 becomes 4. This 0 becomes 10. Again this 10 will give borrow to this 0. This becomes 10. It becomes 9. Now again this 10 keeps borrowed to this 0. This 0 becomes 10 and this 10 becomes 9 students. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. So here is decimal. We will write decimal in our result. So 9 minus 7 is 2 students. 9 minus 3 is 6. 4 minus 1 is 3 rupees. So students, money he has now is rupees 362.50. Money he has now is rupees 362.50. Now students, hence Ramesh has rupees 362.50 now. So students, hope you have understood today's class very well. Now here I would like to give some questions as your homework. So students, here I have given 2 questions as your homework. Hope you will complete it. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.